Okay, after deploying our backend, now we are going to run our front end. So for that, what we do, we will go to our front end a part. Then we're going to like install the NVM, then install the node, then going to install the dependencies. After that, we're going to update the env file. So at first, do that. For that, uh, just go to the front end. See, the backend is running. So in here, let me make it big. If I use ls, the two tier, let's go to this two tier. There is front end. Go to the front end. It's ls. In here, what we can see, this front end is written on the JavaScript. For the JavaScript, we need the node version manager. So let's just clear it. So to install the node version manager, go to the NVM GitHub. NVM GitHub. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you will see a curl command. Copy this curl command, paste it. Then you can copy and paste this one also, or you can just go to this GitHub again, then copy this part, then paste it to activate this one, activate the NVM. Now you can install the node. For that, I'm going to install the node version 16, node NVM install 16. Now hit enter. So we're going to install the node 16. Okay, so now it has been installed the node 16. Let me just clear it. Okay, so that's how you're going to install and the node version manager and install the npm for the front end.